Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So in this video we'll discuss the second problem of Leetcode BiWeekly contest 108. Again a medium level problem. So let's see what it is asking us to do. Relocate marbles is the problem name. It says that you are given a zero index integer array enums representing the initial positions of some marbles. You are given two zero index integer arrays move from and move to of equal lengths. Okay. Throughout move from dot length steps, you'll change the position of the marbles. Okay. On the ith step, you'll move all marbles at position, move from I to position, move to I. Okay. After completing all these steps, return the sorted list of occupied positions. Note we call a position occupied if there is at least one marble in that position. There may be multiple marbles in a single position, right? Simple. I have four marbles here. Initially they are positioned at 1, 6, 7 and 8. Now I perform some steps, right? The step 1 will be that all the marbles which are present at first position, move them to second position. Position number 2, right? After this, the second step is all the marbles which are present at position 7, move them to position 9, right? The third step, all the marbles present at position 2, place those marbles at position number 5. This is all you need to do. Finally, whatever are the positions that are occupied by even a single marble, return those positions in sorted order. Okay, let's dry run it. It's 1, 6, 7, 8. Okay, all the marbles at 1 are placed at 2, so this guy comes at 2. All the marbles at 7 moves to 9. Great. All the marbles at 2 move to 5. Great. So 5, 6, 9 and 8 are the positions. Sorry, 5, 6. Sort it, you get 5, 6, 8, 9. 5, 6, 8, 9 is the answer. Right? Similarly here, you have 1, 1, 3, 3. All the marbles at position 1 will move to 2. 2. All the marbles at position 3 will move to 2. 2. The only position that is occupied is 2. Right? This is what we need to do. Obviously the number of marbles I can have is 10 raised to power 5, and the other arrays are also in the same range, right? So yeah, it's a very, I would say, it's an easy problem, I would say, because all you need to keep a track of what are the positions that are occupied, right? So what I have done here is, again, this is an implementation based problem, so no intuition here, right? I've taken a tree set because you can take a set as well. I've taken a tree set because I wanted to keep the positions in sorted order, right? Now what I'll do in this set, I'll add all the positions, right? All the initial position of my marbles. Okay, I've done it. Now I'll start traversing this source array. So source is basically what is the initial position, and destination is basically what are the corresponding final positions you have to move, right? So just see what I've done here. This is location 1, location 2. Location is where this is the current position of the marble. Location 2 is the final position of the marble, right? At the ith step. So just see what I do. I check that if there is at least a single marble, right? Look, the count of marbles doesn't matter. Even if whatever is the marble that is present at location 1, you have to move to location 2. So what I do, if there is if there is no marble at that position, just continue, skip this step. Otherwise what you do, all the marbles which are present at location 1 will be moved to location 2. So that means from the list of positions that I have, I'll remove position L1, because now L1 is invalid, right? All the marbles at position L1 have moved to L2, right? So L1 becomes invalid, remove it from the set, and L2 becomes valid, add it into my set. Now it doesn't matter that L2 was already present, right? Or I would say, suppose there were some marbles already present on position number 2 or location 2, it doesn't matter, right? Even if that position was valid, I have moved some more marbles to that position. Simple. So this is the very simple implementation of this problem. Again, generally the first and second problems are more or less based on implementation based logic, right? Nothing algorithmic that is needed here, right? So I've done exactly what the problem is asking us to do. All I need to take care is take proper data structure. I've taken tree set here. Now hash set would also have worked here, but I have taken tree set because in my final answer I can just add this set, right? If had I taken a hash set here, right, I would have had to do collections dot sort this answer, right? Both will work here. I have taken a tree set, so the positions are already sorted, just add it to your answer. If you take a normal hash set, positions are not sorted, so add it to your answer and then finally sort the answer, right? Both will work. So this is more or less an implementation based problem. But I hope you were able to understand the solution. If you still have any queries, mention that in the comment section. Also, if you find this video useful, support it by giving a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, please do subscribe. I keep on posting regular videos related to the Leetcode contest. And yes, I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.